Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to tell you the story about my friend Jim of how diet changed his life. He takes into consideration of let food be thy medicine. Until about 10 years ago, Jim has always been having a weight problem, and on top of that, he is a diabetic. And then one day while he was in his office, he suffered an heart attack. They rushed him immediately to the hospital and he underwent a triple bypass. When he came out from the hospital, he realized that he must change his lifestyle. He need to exercise more and he need to eat a better diet. He was on 10 different kind of medications, and he decided one way to approach this is to let food be thy medicine. Over the next several months, he became an expert in steaming vegetables. This new diet not only reduced the amount of calories that he take in, but it also gave him the vitamins and the nutrients that he needs. The end result is amazing. Not only that he lost a lot of weight, but he also reduced his medication from 10 different types to only 2. He told me recently, now he is in the best health that he ever have been in his life. He has created a great system for steaming vegetables. Not only his system is highly efficient, but it also brings in a lot of diversity. I would like to tell you about his system in this video, and he steams all his vegetables in a wok. In his opinion, the wok is the most efficient way to steam vegetables, and I tend to agree with him. In this video, I'm going to use a 14-inch Emulser light cast iron wok. Inside the wok, I'm going to place a small steaming rack. You can purchase this rack on Amazon. The other thing that you need is a wok cover. I have a wok cover that has a glass window. My wok cover is made out of stainless steel. If your wok does not come with a wok cover, make sure you get the cover of the right size. Make sure you get one for a 14-inch wok if this is the kind of wok that you have. The main advantage of using the wok is because the wok has a large opening, so you can put a good sized plate in the wok. Jim told me one of the secrets to make the steamed vegetable taste good is to have a lot of different kinds of vegetable in it. So in this case, prepping in advance is a tremendous benefit because you will have all different kinds of vegetable available to you at your fingertips. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use 6 different kinds of vegetables. The first vegetable that I found in my refrigerator is Brussels sprouts, which has always been my favorite. Next, I find some carrots, which will add some color as well as nutritional value to the dish. Well, I also have some cabbage, which I need to use up, so I'm going to include that as well. Now, Jim told me that he would always choose one vegetable to be the main ingredients. So for me in this dish, I'm going to select broccoli as the main attraction. Again, I have a lot of yellow squash that coming from my wife's garden. Finally, I'm going to include some portobello mushroom. Jim is very good in creating variations in his vegetable dish. So each time he will choose a different vegetable as the primary ingredients. Another secret that Jim shared with me to make the dish taste good is what he called a sequential steaming. He told me that because different vegetables have different texture and they require different time to achieve the right doneness. So he will put the vegetable with the longest cooking time first and then gradually add other vegetables as the cooking progresses. He has another term for it. He called it cumulative steaming. I first add 2 cups of water into the wok. I can always add more if it is needed. And then I put the steam rack right into the wok. And now one advantage of the wok is that you can put a plate in it and you can put the vegetable on the plate, and when the steaming is done, you can take the plate out and use it for serving immediately. So the first vegetable I'm going to add is Brussels sprouts because that takes the longest time to cook. I also add carrots as well. I then place the cover on the wok and I steam both of them for probably about 4 or 5 minutes. The next vegetable that I'm going to add to the wok is cabbage because that also takes some time to cook. I then next open the cover. I add broccoli to the wok. I check on them periodically to see how they are doing. The next vegetable I'm going to add at about the same time is yellow squash because they take about the same amount of time to cook. I then briefly mix the vegetable to see how everything is doing. It also looks like the water in the wok is getting low, so I add more water. Finally, I add some portobello mushroom because that takes the least amount of time to cook. I then add my basic seasoning mix to enhance the natural flavor of the vegetables. If you'd like to learn more about the components of this seasoning mix, please take a look at this video. I did a quick taste test and my friend Jim is absolutely correct. This method allows you to cook the vegetable to the doneness of perfection. This way you will not overcook or undercook any vegetables. I put the cover back on and steam the vegetable for another 2 or 3 minutes and it is done. Before I serve the vegetable on the table, I drizzle the surface with a little bit of oyster sauce. I must admit, the vegetables are delicious. They fully retain their natural flavor and have wonderful textures. At this point, I would like to mention a little bit about the wok. Boiling water in the wok will remove its seasoning. However, you don't have to worry. With my spot seasoning method, you can restore the seasoning immediately. Here I want to do a quick demonstration of using the spot seasoning to bring the wok back to its non-stick property. As you can see here, there's no problem in frying an egg with it sticking to the surface of the wok. Jim is absolutely right. The wok is perfect for steaming. Each large opening not only provide a space for putting a large size plate, but also make it easy access. It makes it very easy to add ingredients to the plate for steaming. As you can tell, this template for steaming provides many possibilities. You can create complex vegetable dishes by including different types of seasoning agents. For example, the addition of black bean will add a new flavor to the dish. This is a very useful and valuable template to have in your repertoire. In future videos, I will give you a demonstration of how to include seafood in this steaming process. So in summary, the wok is perfect for steaming. Again, this video shows you how flexible and versatile the wok is as a multi-functional cooking utensil. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like icon below. This will help me to expand my audience. If you'd like to receive notification of my future video posting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.